Hey there. Today, we'll show you how to build an activity history screen with the Ionic Framework and Design Kit. Let's get started. On the left, we'll work through code snippets from the official Ionic docs. In the center, you'll see the layout, built with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, the phone emulator will show our code in action. The Ionic Design Kit simplifies app development with pre-made elements for designers and ready-to-use components for developers, speeding up workflows and boosting collaboration. An activity history screen is essential for apps that track progress or transactions, presenting data in a clear chronological format to improve usability and engagement. With the Ionic Design Kit, creating this screen is easy. Its pre-designed layouts make the interface intuitive, responsive, and user-friendly. No need to start from scratch. Pause the video anytime if you need a closer look, and don't forget, you can find all the code snippets on our website. Thanks for joining us today. Stick around for more guides in this series, where we'll share even more tips and tools to elevate your Ionic apps. See you in the next video.